clock back 5 years ago, there were two banks which were top of the pedestal, HDFC Bank and Kotak Bank.
Yes.
The Indian banking sector was in a mess. PSU banks were getting recapitalized.
Yeah.
Large banks like ICICI Bank and Axis Bank, they had their own issues of leadership. So two banks they held out and they commanded disproportionate amount of premium.
Correct.
That novelty has faded away.
Yeah.
So do you think now we should look at banking sector in the same breath and we should not differentiate between PSU and private?
I would still give more weightage to private sector banks.
Why is that?
When it comes to retail lending, the PSU banks have still not got their act right, and it will be some more time before they get their act right. And that is the reason why I think private sector banks will probably be better off as compared to the public sector banks.
Who has the right to win then? Will the large private banks become bigger? Or the small private banks will also catch up? Within private, who has the right to win?
I think it will be across the board, but the larger ones will have a better reach, so they will definitely become bigger.
When you look at a stock like HDFC Bank, they've done all the right things.
Yeah.
Merger has gone through, cost of liabilities coming
Correct.
under pressure.
Correct.
At that large base, they're compounding in mid-teens. They're getting more than 20% market share of the fresh CASA which is getting generated. Everything is going right for them. But nothing is going right for shareholders. Stock chalta hi nahi.
So sometimes it also happens that a stock stagnates. I remember even trend between 2013 and 2017 didn't go anywhere. But that doesn't mean that the business was bad. Business was good. But probably it had run ahead of times, or probably people were not willing to buy stocks at a higher P. But things change. And I think that the same thing will happen in banks as well, including HDFC Bank.